Secretly she wanted him as well. But all of the friends stuck up their nose, and they had a problem with his baggy clothes. He was a skater boy, she said see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. She had a pretty face, but her head was off his face. She needed to come back down to earth. 5 years from now, she sits at home, feeding the baby, she's all alone. She turns on TV, guess who she sees? Skater boy rocking MTV.
No te filmas fas ganyotes quan surt per ahí a la pantalla.
And they've all got tickets to see his show. She tags along, stands in the crowd, looks up at the man that she turned down. He was a skater boy, she said see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Now he's a superstar, slamming on his guitar to show pretty face, see what he's worth. He was a skater boy, she said see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Now he's a superstar, slamming on his guitar to show pretty face, see what he's worth. Sorry girl, but you missed out. Well, tough luck, that boy's mine now. We are more than just good friends. This is how the story ends. Too bad that you couldn't see the man that boy could be. There is more than meets the eye. I see the soul that is inside. He's just a boy, and I'm just a girl. Can I make it any more obvious? We are in love. Haven't you heard how we rock each other's world? I'm with the skater boy. I said see you later boy. I'll be backstage.
El Pere està somiant ara.
Miqueta,
Això de que ha guanyat avui.
avui estic al·lucinant. Veig que estrelles per tot arreu.
Què t'expliques? Aquí estamos, no? Aquí estamos.
És això que...
Com els famosos, vinga va.
Acomodau.
L'entrevista del cor, l'entrevista va.
Que no veo nada. Espera, espera. Vámonos ahora.
Que se...
Ah, foteos. Ma usando nel cioè?
There's a nail in the door and there's glass on the lawn, tacks on the floor and the TV is on. And I always sleep with my guns when you're gone. There's a blade by the bed and a phone in my hand, a dog on the floor and some cash on the nightstand. When I'm all alone the dreaming stops and I just can't say. What should I do? Just a little baby. What if the lights go out and maybe, and then the wind just starts to moan outside the door and follow me home now. Good night, moon. I want the sun. If it's not here soon, I might return. No, it won't be too soon till I say good night, moon. There's a shark in the pool and a witch in the tree, a crazy old neighbor in
Alantarainin magdobi,
his footsteps
Awalatali amin.
coming down the hall. Something's under the bed and it's out in the cage. There's a big black hole sitting on the underpage. And I hear something scratching through the wall. Oh, what should I do? Just a